almost done patching his bed. Just have to tack weld this thing in and customize it like I did this one. A couple more days. Got this in position. Just gotta make some little brackets. I go here so I don't crush this. That'll be Gucci. Suspension is on. Nice and bolted up, nice and tight. Already started the cab corner, so having fun with that. I probably gotta take this door off. Take the door off, and then I gotta cut from that truck there. I gotta cut this guy here off. All these off. Can't get the door open, but we'll figure it out. Yep, this is the donor truck. Motor engine is going in that one. Get that. Yeah, I like to finish this up, man. Got some more projects to get done. I'm gonna cut all this off. Tack weld it in, or maybe glue it. I don't know. We'll see. A shot. I bought the little seat covers. See that? Bought the little covers here. Yep, for both sides. Yep. Finish this truck. Gotta go. Alright guys, just a little quick update on the bed. Just gotta do some stuff here. Grind all that down. I'm gonna you see where I weld it and grind that down. Yep. Looks ugly now, but it'll look good. Yep. As you see where I did the patches. Took it from the old bed and welded it in. Yep, so yep. Alright guys, till next time. Oh, and the person that had this bed decided to leave that shit in there. I cut it out. Fucking idiot. That was stupid. They tack welded the new one to the old one. Fucking dumb. Alright.